Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And if you do enjoy the videos, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Serpents, you know, it's been a while. I've been busy throughout the year racing across Australia, but I've always come back to digital marketing, and I love marketing, I love brand creation, and I found something that I think is going to be quite useful in the marketplace. I want to show it to you. As always, it's not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but hear me out. Gen2AI. Next level, all-in-one AI brand creator. Now, for me personally, I like the idea. I like where this is going. You can click on the launch app and it will take you straight to, create yourself an account. You can have, secure a 25% boost in conversion for your brand marketing using AI. Create your username, enter all your details, and start implementing and start using it, right? But if we go back to what is this all about? Well, we've seen the rise of AI, we've seen how popular it's become, we've seen the need for it, and basically it's an application designed to revolutionize mobile website creation, allowing people like you and I to easily generate professional mobile websites without programming skills or web design knowledge. And the cool thing is that there is actually a token behind it. There's some Web3 components coming to it as well. And there's a lot of things that over the course of the coming months, it should be worthwhile to pay attention to. Now, we've seen Canva, we've seen Photoshop, we've seen all types of different regular Web 2 businesses launch and integrate AI into their creation softwares. But what I think is really, really cool is that when you add that extra layer, and when you add the blockchain element to it and bring this into the Web3 community and the Web3 world, that's when I think this can become really, really interesting. Now, very, very simple steps. Like most of these type of businesses, you register for your account. You can go and start to, use text to generate, write the same way you write in ChatGPT, except here the results will be the mobile website exactly as you want it. Use your native Gen2 tokens to get access to the app and pro features. So unlike traditional methods like your Canvas of the world, you're using the actual company token to have access to the features and have access to all the AI. And then also you can have some really, really cool and strong web analytics components as well. Now, from an e-commerce integration point of view, there's some really, really exciting things happening. The analytics side as well, I've seen, some of the things behind the scenes as well, and it looks pretty cool to me. Like as a digital marketer myself, I've been in the industry for over 10 years, and for me personally, I like anything that helps us, create websites better, launch ideas quicker. Too much time is spent in the ideas and not implementation. And so I think tools like this are important out there because they help us implement faster. Now, as far as integrations, they're integrated with GoDaddy, they're integrated with TradingView, so there's a couple of large organizations that have come on board. A lot of the AI futuristic element to it, and keep in mind that it's new, right? So it's only going to get better, they're only going to learn, get stronger, have more people adopt it. Think about it when GoDaddy was brand new, how that looked back in the day, or the first version of Photoshop. Long time ago when you used to have to buy it on a CD. So keep in mind that everything, in the Web3 world is still relatively new. So it's only going to get better and better. But, they are on a mission, to revolutionize how AI is used for business automation and branding in the Web3 space. So it is primarily created and made for Web3 right now, which I think is really cool. It means that the AI model has been trained specifically for our niche, which is the Web3 niche. There are lots of cool things to learn about it, and there's also, obviously the white paper and all of that stuff. But step number one, obviously you can create your account, and then from there, what's really, really cool, especially if we go into the documentation side of things, we can really start to pay attention to how, the innovative application is, how it all works, the AI website creation element to it. So how it works, how does it actually go about creating you, from the design elements to the content blocks to the instant preview to the mobile optimization. It goes actually quite in detail how all of these things are created. The analytics side of things as well, which I think is really, really cool that they've done this and they've given us a really cool breakdown. it already comes from day one with e-commerce integrations, which I think is, I guess, crucial. And it has obviously affiliate access as well. So by allowing this, it's actually going to attract the Web3 world, but it's also going to attract the normal users as well, which may not necessarily be comfortable with holding the Gen2AI token. So they've thought about everything. So there's plenty of user guides as well. I'm not going to go through and actually show you every single element of this particular document, because it is, of course, your responsibility. You got to do your homework. You need to study. You need to understand what it is that you're getting into. And as I always say, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but it's really, really important that you understand every single element of it. The token supply, the project valuation, how many tokens there are in circulation, what that's going to look like, the tokenomics side. Again, very, very important and critical components of this. The audits that have taken place as well, but you can see the private bootstrapping, the public, the ecosystem, the team, and the reserve, all, very straightforward and matching. The roadmap itself is actually quite interesting. There's a lot of things coming as well. So we've got to roll out the launch of the core features between now and the first quarter of 2025, the expansion of features between the second part of the year and towards the latter part of 2025, and then the enterprise solutions and global expansion into 2025 and to 2026 and beyond, and then just keep improving from there. I love the fact that they've got here even things like, second quarter of 2027 onwards and what that looks like. So having that big picture and thinking about everything. Also, what I really like about this particular page as well is you've got your Twitter, your Telegram chats, and your website right there as well, so you can actually check it out and see how that all works. But in terms of the pricing and the packages, you can see there's a normal version, which is completely free. You've got a pro version, and then you've got an enterprise version as well. And when you get access and you log on to the app, you'll actually be able to see that and you'll be able to go through it. I love the fact that they've given a free user version as well. So you can literally go on, have a play, see if you like it. From a dashboard point of view as well, it's going to look pretty cool. Again, patience, serpents, because at the end of the day, it is a brand new application. It's only going to get better and better. Now, in terms of how do you get more information about the product, well, jump on Gen2AI's Twitter page. You can see the actual launch app, you can see the website, all the latest information, including the fact that the next IDO is about to begin, and some of the other IDOs that I've done, like for example on Pulse launch, and you can see all the details. You can connect your wallet, you can see everyone that has gone in, and just in general get a good understanding of this particular project and what's going on and what's going. Total raised was $100,000 on this particular chain. Now on the Katamoto chain, which is one of the latest ones to launch out there, it's actually, if you jump on katamoto.cat, it'll actually take you to it, and you can see there the platform itself and how to actually buy it. So it's very, very interesting from that point of view as well. But as always, I do hope that you enjoy the video. And as always, if you do enjoy these type of videos, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you. And I look forward to see you on the next one.